I'm Swapna and I'm from Hyderabad and this is my husband.
I'm Vijay Kumar Vankamamidi. I'm an IT professional. I worked for about 32 years. So recently I've retired as Chief Quality Officer from Blue Yonder Software. And as part of that, we undertook this big project of renovating our home, and installing lift is a big part of that whole process. And we already are enjoying and having a great experience with Nibav Lifts. So one of the important considerations in the decision to go with Nibav was the safety of the lifts, because quality is paramount for me, and safety, especially when it comes to lift, is like super critical, because I don't want to ever have a scenario of a free fall or getting stuck. So I've had multiple conversations with technical people, and the Nibav is very accommodative. If I have 100 questions, they're willing to answer all of them. And after getting a complete reassurance with practical demonstration, I went with Nibav, and I'm like extremely happy with it from a safety perspective.
And aesthetically also it looks very nice. It doesn't look like a sore thing sticking out, but it actually integrates with the rest of the house. I love the color options that they've given, so it was nice to be able to pick and choose the color that would fit into our home aesthetics. You don't have to really do much breakage. I mean, there's very minimal civil work.
Yeah, from safety perspective, I like the fact that there is the pneumatic brake, then there's mechanical brake, and then there is also, in case you get stuck, there is a alarm system that you can ring, and then there's a telephone in case you really want to call someone out if you forgot your mobile, and there's a mechanical lock whereby you can open the door. So there are multiple things in case there's a sudden power cut, and then the lift smoothly goes down and lands in the ground floor. So very happy with the safety aspects.
I found Nibav to be the best fit, simply because it is aesthetically pleasing. It's transparent, so it doesn't feel like it's occupying much space.
My brother who came from US, when he looked at the lift, he said that this looks like a contraption from Star Wars or Star Trek. That tells you that how modern and how futuristic it is. So I'm really happy with the fact that it is the most compact lift I could find for my needs, especially G+2.
Aesthetically and ease of use, everything. It fits very beautifully into an existing house. So I think it's really the best there is available in the market.